Hello, friends. Welcome to Connect and Communicate Module 2. In this module, we have a lot of fun, exciting things planned for you. But let's recap kind of what you did last week so that way we can make sure we're all on the same page. Last week for your internship, you worked through the brainstorming possible internships. So you start off with part one, looking at your personal interests and logistics. You also went into the brainstorming and searching for your internship. And then you rounded this off by actually recording your internships. So this week, now that you've gone through those three stages, we're going to take what you've recorded and we're going to look at starting the communication with your internship folks. So contacting those people. So if you are looking at this, there are several things that we want you to kind of work through and look at. I'm going to jump back to our presentation real quick so you can see where these are. If you skip a couple of pages in the presentation, if you get to this page, all of the pages I'm going to show you are linked right here. So just know that the video that I am creating right now will land on this page right here. You'll see it there. But know that the next page, you will see all of these links. I'm going to walk you through the links so it makes sense in terms of what you are going to do for this week. So again, last week you recorded. We want to talk about how do you start communicating with your partners. We've designed a couple of documents to help you with that. So if you go to the first one, this particular document right here, this one kind of walks you through ways to connect and communicate with potential partners. So as you kind of scroll through, it starts off with an overview, then there's an introductory email template, there's informal interview suggestions and questions. There's also a follow-up email template. So let's kind of dive into this a little bit more. This tells you how to use this document. It really helps you in sending out your emails, creating informational interview suggestions. So it's a sheet that really just kind of walks you through how to contact partners, what to say, what to do. So as we go into this, there are links for everything. So those links I just showed you, they're also linked right here. So that way you can find it. We wanted to include a section on professional etiquette, looking at your introductory email and how do you write it. So this is where you start developing all those pieces. So we want you to go through, start working, start developing, start designing how you're going to communicate with those partners. Again, it's continued here. So here is a template that you can use, as well as suggestions for that informational interview, things that you can ask, also information that you might want to share. We'll talk about the slide deck in a second and the placement agreements, but these are all different things that you might want to cover when you're talking to your various partners. At the same time, you want to, after you email them, after you secure that meeting time to meet with them, you want to follow up with an email to say thank you. Here is a thank you email that you would want to send. So make sure you send that out, as well as looking at just things that you would want to say. So this guide was designed just to give you information about what to say, how to say it, when to follow through. So if you walk through this and you're really working through this, this will help you with the steps in talking with your internship potential partners. The next thing I want to share is, as we're looking at this document, scroll back up, it talks about you're going to provide them with a slide deck. The actual copy of the slide deck is right. So there's the link. If you click on it, it'll open this page. This is the slide deck that you're going to use. Let me scroll up real quick so you can see it. But it walks a potential partner through what an educational studies internship entails. So as you look through this, you'll see, what is educational studies, what is the internship, what it entails in the internship, as well as the internship sequence, internship project and hours. So it talks about that human-centered design project that you're going to be coming up with. It also discusses the activities that are appropriate. So you want to spend some time going through this slide deck. You'll send it to your potential partners so that they understand what this internship is all about.